Looks like Canva has a new button on the home page. It's called the Photo Editor. You'll see it right here across the top of the screen, along that row of icons, or you can also get to it by clicking on the purple circle with the plus sign down here. When you click it, you'll see a pop-up with 9 quick actions. All the tools you'd expect for photo editing in Canva. Things like Magic Eraser, Crop, Background Remover, Magic Grab, Blur, Grab Text, and Background Generator. But Canva's added a couple of new ones to the list: Auto Select and Perspective Correction, and we're going to take a closer look at what those do in this video. Now you'll notice that 5 of the 9 tools have little gold crowns next to them. That means you'll need to be on Canva Pro, or part of a Teams or Education account to use those ones. Just below the Quick Action section, you'll see Edit Your Photo. From here, you can upload an image straight from your computer, or browse through your existing Canva images and pick one you want to work on. Okay, so let's take a look first at perspective correction. Click and then select a photo. I'm going to use a downtown building image. What perspective correction is going to do is to move things around and change the perspective of your image. The tool has 3 main functions that allow it to change perspective. You can rotate your image, which is great if, say, your horizon isn't quite horizontal. You can change both the vertical and horizontal perspectives. You can see the sliders over in the drop down here on the left side. Take a minute and try each and see how they change the look of your image. You can change the aspect ratios by clicking through the options here, and you can reset everything back to 0 using the reset button at the bottom as well. Once all the adjustments to perspective are complete, click on the purple Done button at the bottom. This opens another drop-down on the side. Here you first choose between the entire image, a click or brush, the foreground or background to make specific changes. Underneath is Crop, which we previously looked at. Next is Pixel Eraser. Here you can erase anything on your image you want. There is also the Restore button, allowing you to bring back pixels you removed. You can adjust the size of the eraser with the slider. Click Done to save your work. Next is the Adjust button, which lets you adjust all the settings in the image. Take a look through to see if you want any adjustments and make them. There is a button on the bottom to reset adjustments. Click the arrow to go back. Next is Magic Studio. It includes all the Magic Studio options for you to explore. Under Magic Studio is Filters, if you want to add filters to your image. Under Filters is FX Effects, and you can add any of those you want to your image as well. At the top right is the Download icon, which saves your image to your computer as well as the Save button. The Save button closes out the image and saves it in Canva. Click the X to get out of this page. It opens to the Create a Design page. This time click on the Auto Select button and then choose your image. This opens the Image panel and click on All button. It opens an image box, and when we choose All, it switches over to a larger drop-down with all our options. It is similar to what we just covered in perspective correction, minus a couple of items, but it does have an added section for apps. That is Canva's new Photo Editor button. I hope you found this content helpful, and if you did, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.